क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप एआई इन्फ्लुएंसर से पैसे कमा सकते हैं? इंस्टाग्राम पर एआई इन्फ्लुएंसर बनाना बहुत आसान है। ये देखिए कि लोग इससे कितना कमा रहे हैं। इसे बनाने, बढ़ाने और मुद्रीकरण करने के चरण यहाँ दिए गए हैं। क्या होगा अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि कुछ इंस्टाग्राम क्रिएटर्स बिना अपना असली चेहरा दिखाए भी पैसे कमा रहे हैं? ये वर्चुअल क्रिएटर्स होते हैं जिन्हें एआई की मदद से बनाया जाता है। ये बिल्कुल इंसानों रील्स पोस्ट कर सकते हैं और अपनी ऑडियंस भी बना सकते हैं। जैसे जैसे इनकी ऑडियंस बढ़ती है, ये अलग अलग तरीकों से कमाई कर ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशंस, एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स और अन्य ऑनलाइन इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटीज। कमाई की मात्रा आपकी मेहनत पर निर्भर करती है। जैसे जैसे इनकी ऑडियंस बढ़ती है, ये अलग अलग तरीकों से कमाई कर ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशंस, एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स और अन्य ऑनलाइन इनकम अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ध्यान रहे, कमाई की माप की मेहनत पर निर्भर करती है। पारंपरिक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के विपरीत एआई इन्फ्लुएंसर को रोजाना फोटोशूट की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। सही एआई टूल्स के साथ आप लगातार विजुअल स्टाइल, हालांकि दीर्घकालिक सफलता अभी भी निर्भर करती है।
Before creating your AI influencer, the first step is choosing one niche. A focused niche helps you attract the right audience and build a strong brand. You can choose a niche like beauty, fashion, fitness, finance, education, travel, gaming, and food. Don't try to post about everything. When your content stays focused on one topic, people know what to expect from your account, making it easier to build a loyal audience. Choose a niche that you enjoy and can consistently create valuable content about. Consistency and quality are far more important than simply following trends. Now it's time to create your AI influencer. Think of it as building a digital brand, not just creating a character. These details help make your influencer memorable and recognizable. Here's a simple example. Name, Mia. Personality, friendly, confident, and helpful. Once you've created your character, keep everything consistent. Use the same visual style, personalizable. Remember, people don't just follow attractive profiles, they follow creators with a clear identity and consistent content. The stronger your brand, the easier it becomes to build trust and grow your audience over time. Now it's time to create content for your AI influencer. AI tools can help you produce content faster while keeping your brand style consistent. You can use AI to create and video scripts. Don't publish AI-generated content without checking it first. Review every image, caption, and script for accuracy, quality, and misleading or deceptive content, and follow Instagram's bats. Remember, success doesn't come from posting hundreds of low-quality posts. It's better to publish high-quality, valuable content consistently. Consistency builds trust and helps grow your audience. Remember, creating your AI influencer is just the beginning. To grow your Instagram account, you need to post consistently. A regular posting schedule helps your audience know when to expect new content.
Focus on creating short, engaging reels that capture attention in the first few seconds. Pair them with captions that encourage people to comment, ask questions, or share their opinions. Focus on create, don't just post and disappear. Reply to comments, answer messages, and interact with your audience. Building a community is just as important as creating content. Focus on create, keep an eye on trending topics, sounds, and formats, but only use trends that fit your niche, and chasing every trend can make your content look inconsistent. Focus on create, whether you're teaching something new, solving a problem, or entertaining viewers, always give people a reason to follow your account and come back for more. Remember, Instagram growth takes time. Don't expect overnight success. Stay consistent, keep improving your content, and focus on providing value to your audience. Once your AI influencer starts building an audience, you can explore different monetization opportunities. Keep in mind that income depends on factors like your audience size, engagement, niche. Key takeaway: brands usually look for creators with an engaged audience, not just a high follower count. Building trust and creating valuable content can make your profile more attractive for collaborations. Another popular monetization method through your affiliate marketing. You may earn a commission. The amount depends on the affiliate program and its commission structure. As your audience grows, you can also sell your own digital products. Create your own digital products. Create your own digital products. As your products includes, you can also use online courses and digital guides. Since they're digital, they can be sold repeatedly without managing physical inventory. Examples include social media consulting, content creation, and AI workflow setup for individuals or businesses. Examples include: don't rely only on Instagram. Use it, run content creation and AI your audience, and direct them to your other platforms. Examine your followers to your YouTube channel, newsletter, website, or online store. Diversifying your audience and income sources can help reduce dependence on any single platform. Examine your followers to your influencer isn't just about creating content. Avoiding common mistakes is equally important. First, avoid copying other creators. Take inspiration, but always create original content. Don't buy fake followers, likes, or engagement. These numbers don't build a real audience and can reduce your performance. Posting randomly can confuse your audience. Stick to a consistent style and schedule. Don't ignore comments and messages. Replying to your audience helps build trust. It helps create a stronger community. Always review AI-generated images and videos. Check for mistakes and overall quality. Finally, don't present AI-generated content as real if doing so could mislead your audience. Building trust through honesty and transparency is a long-term advantage.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप AI influencers are creating exciting new opportunities for content creators, but they're not a shortcut to instant success or guaranteed income.
If you found this masterclass helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more AI and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.